Okay. So good afternoon, students. Good afternoon to all. So I hope sir everyone is having the problem which I have sent yesterday. Yes sir. Ellara problem ada anta ankoltini. So please on your videos. Please on your videos. Ellara video on ಮಾಡಿ. Please on your videos to know whether you people have that problem or not. To check that one. Is everyone is having that one no? Ellara hatranu adari. So shall we start with the solving of that problem? Solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. Okay, so you people write that journal entries in the book of who that Mr. Rajesh for the month of January 2018. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, so this is the third problem which we are solving. We have to write that. So journal entries in the book of Mr. Rajesh for the month of January 2018. Okay, write that full sentence. Okay, so what is the first transaction? What is the first transaction?
Business commenced with cash 50,000, machinery 20,000 and furniture 10,000.
Okay, so business commenced with cash rupees 50,000, machinery worth rupees 20,000 and furniture worth rupees 10,000. Yes, sir. This is the transaction. So here owner is not only bringing cash into the business. Business na bari avanu cash ashte taraktillri. Owner here in this transaction, owner is not getting only cash into the business. But in business cash ashte taratilla, he is bringing furniture and machinery along with a cash. Means he is bringing some furniture and machinery along with the cash. So I said, bari cash ashte alri, the owner can get the kind also into the business. Goods no tarbodu. Business owner can bring the goods also into the business. Owner can only bari cash ashte tarudalri. Owner can get the kind also into the business. Bari cash ashte alla, he can bring some furniture or goods or machinery into the business also. So usually nam transaction ಏನು ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, journal entry ಏನು ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು journal entry?
Account data,
Furniture
account data, machinery account data to capital account.
Very good. Of cash account data, machinery account data, furniture account data to capital account. So this journal entry, what we will call? ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? There were two types of journal entries. Yes, yes or no? ಎರಡು types ಇದ್ವು. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋ journal entry ಯಾವ type ಬರ್ತದೆ? There were two types of journal entry. One is a simple journal entry and another one is a compound journal entry. So simple journal entry alli bari erade account involved agutte. In journal entry there were only two accounts will be involved. So that journal entry is known as a simple journal entry. Compound journal entry na more than two accounts will be involved in the journal entry. Yes or no? So you'll note cash account, machinery account, furniture account, to capital account. You'll list more than two journal entries were more than two accounts were involved in the journal entry. Yes, so ಈ journal entry ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ compound journal entry ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, so on what date? On which date this transaction was there?
1/1/2018.
1/1/2018. So the journal entry will be cash account, data to data, machinery account, data, furniture account, data to capital account. Okay, so what is the amount? Amount ಏನು ಅದ? What is the amount of cash?
50,000.
50,000. Yes or no? The cash amount is 50,000 and machinery. What is the machinery amount? Adirillri class naga
20,000. 20,000.
20,000. And furniture
10,000.
and total of capital will be 80,000. Yes or no? So owner has bought 50,000 in the form of cash, 20,000 in the form of machinery, and 10,000 in the form of furniture. So the total capital will be 80,000. So what will be the narration? What will be the narration? What is the narration? Whether you people are there in class or not? Are you in class number? Vaishnavi, on your video. Sabha, on your video. Vinayak, Hiremat, on your video. If this is the case, students, only hardly 20 has been joined to the class. Other none, even I have included in that one. Now, first listen to me. See here, if only 9, okay, so ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 9 ಜನ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿರಿ. Okay, so the total strength of financial accounting class is more than 40. Okay, 40 ಜನ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಿದೆ accounting students. Okay, so 10 will go for 40, more than 40. Okay, so more than 40 adile adraga. So more than 40 daga only hardly 10 people joining means what about the 30 members? More janad enri. Okay, what they are playing with us, what? Adalatarri. Mother starting like I used to get a strength of 20, 5, 26 itri nan classic strength. Iga day by day strength decrease agota hogtade. So I said you people also need to inform your friends. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಂತೂ 16 ಜನ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರೀ 11 ಜನ ಅದೀರಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೊಂಟದೇನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತ್ರಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬರ್ತಾಳು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋತಾಳು, ಒದರ್ತಾಳು, ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳು ಅಂತ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ಲೇ ಅದಿರೇನು ಹೆಂಗೆ? Hardly 10 members has joined to the class out of 40 members. See, like if this is the continuous, I have already said to your HOD. Means HOD ko ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. Okay, so I will take my action on it. ಸುಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬರೀ 5 ಜನ 4 ಜನ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. And what basis they are acting this one? ಯಾವ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ? There should be some reason to behave in this way, no? ಈ ಥರ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರೀಸನ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ದಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 reasons. ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಅನ್ಸಾತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೋರ್ ಅನ್ಸಾತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಮ್. ಎಸನ ಅದು ನಾನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Okay, I'll see one more, that class ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. If this is the continuous, I will only quit up the class. ನಾನೇ ಕ್ವಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು because you people are feeling so easy of the subject, ನೀವೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Okay, so this is the plan, like this is the decision what I'm going to take for you people. ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅಂತೂ ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳ್ರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ನಿಜ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ. Assignment to submit ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. whatever the work we are giving, people are not doing that thing also. ಆ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ. ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟೋಟಲಿ ನ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಭು, ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ನರೇಶನ್ ಏನದ ರೀ?
Commence business investing by cash, machinery and furniture.
Business with cash, furniture and machinery. Okay, what is the next transaction? Next another. What is the next?
Rajesh withdrawn the 1,000 from the business for personal use.
Okay, Rajesh withdraw 1,000 from the business for personal use. Personal use means, as you know, what is meant by personal use? What is meant by personal use, Alama Prabhu? What is
Drawings, ma'am.
drawings? Yes, sir.
Drawings account.
Very good. So personal use, it is nothing but our drawings. Yes, sir. So here, what will be the journal entry? What will be the
Drawing account to cash account.
drawings account data to cash account? Why drawings account has been created? Because Allama Prabhu, please mute yourself. It is getting very much disturbance. Please mute yourself. Okay, so drawings account has been debited. Why? Because the owner is withdrawing for his personal purpose. So if owner is withdrawing for his personal purpose, that one we will call as in a drawings. So drawings account has been debited and cash will be credited because cash is going out of the business. So the journal entry will be drawings account debit to cash account. Being cash withdrawn, being cash withdrawn for personal use. Okay. Being cash withdrawn for personal use. Is it clear? Clear, I think? Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to everyone? Shall I erase the first one? Erase Marley Vina? Shall I erase this first one? Everyone have taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the next transaction? What is the third transaction, students?
Cash paid into bank 5,000.
Bank. So what will be the journal entry? What will
Bank
Bank
account to cash account.
cash bank account debtor to cash account? Why bank account has been debited? Why bank account has been debited?
Cash deposited in bank, ma'am.
Cash has been deposited into bank, so bank account has been debited and cash account has been credited. The journal entry is correct. Why bank account should be debited? Why the bank account?
Because bank account comes in personal account.
Oh, okay. Bank comes in the personal account, so bank is a
Receiver that.
very good. So bank is a receiver of that cash. Yes or no? So banks comes under the personal account under the artificial person. So bank is an artificial person. So bank is a receiver of that cash. So bank should be a debited and cash is going out of the business. So bank should cash should be credited. So on what date it is? Bank account debit to cash account. Listen, bank account debit to cash account. Being, what is the narration? What is the narration?
being cash paid to bank.
Being cash paid into bank. Amount, what is the amount? What is the amount?
5,000.
5,000. Okay. So what is the next journal entry? What is the next journal entry?
Purchase goods from Ram.
Purchased goods from Ram. So journal entry for this one. For this transaction, what is the journal entry?
Purchase account
Ram
to
account to cash.
Huh?
purchase account.
Purchased goods from Ram. Yes, sir. So if you are purchasing goods from Ram, so goods is coming into the business, so purchase account has been debited and what should be credited?
Cash account.
Why cash account should be credited? Why the cash account should be credited? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಟು Ram account. Why I should take Ram account?
Ram account.
Why I should take Ram account?
Transaction is incomplete.
Okay, transaction is not incomplete ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಅದು transaction has taken on the credit basis ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. If they are not mentioned the word called cash ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಾ if they have not mentioned the word called cash mention ಮಾಡ್ದಿರಾ ಬರೀ person ಹೆಸರು person name mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is nothing but credit transaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ if they have not mentioned the word called cash ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ if they have mentioned only the person name it means that is a credit transaction ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ so okay tell me the journal entry now journal entry ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೆ
Purchase account debtor to Mohan account.
Purchase account debtor to Mohan account. ये Mohan है ना? Purchase account.
Ram account में.
हाँ?
Purchase account debtor to Ram account.
Purchase account debtor to Ram account. Why Ram account has been credited? Ram under which account he will come? ಯಾವ account ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನ್ರಿ Ram?
Personal man. Giver, that's why.
According to the rule of personal account,
Debit the receiver, credit the giver.
here Ram is a
Giver.
so Ram account should be credited or not? ಯಾಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳತ್ತೀರಿ? Why you people are getting so much of confusion? Shall I erase this one? ಇದನ್ನ ಅಳಿಸಿಲ್ರಿ? Shall I erase this one or not? Shall I erase this one or no? Tell me that one.
Erase.
Okay. What is the date for that one? Purchase account is been debited. Purchase account is debited to Ram account. Okay, purchase account has been debited to Ram account because a Ram is a giver. Being goods purchased from Ram. What is the amount? What is the amount?
20,000.
Huh?
20,000.
Okay. What is the next transaction? Next transaction in here. What is the next transaction? Next transaction in here. Tell me. Tell me fast, anyone.
Cash credit to Ram 19,000
Cash?
and discount.
Okay, tell me.
Cash paid to Ram 19,000 and discount received 10,000.
That is not 10,000, it is 1,000. Okay, make it correct. Okay, that is 1,000. Okay, cash paid to Ram. Ramige cash pay madadvi. Amele we have received discount of rupees 1,000. What is meant by this one? Can anyone tell me that? We paid cash to Ram. Ramige cash pay madadvi. We paid Ram cash madadvi. And we received a discount. Discount receive madadvi. What is meant by this one? What is meant by this one? We paid cash it seems and we received the discount. Why why we will receive the discount here? Cash pay ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ discount ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅರ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Very good. Here it is a cash discount. It is a cash discount given by the creditor to a debtor for the early payment. Debtor early payment pay ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಗೆ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಗೆ ಅವ್ನು 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಡೆಟಾರ್. ಎ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿ ಹತ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಎ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಬಂದು ಬಿ ಹತ್ರ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಜಲ್ದಿನೇ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗಂತ, ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಬರ್ 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಅರ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವಿನಾಯಕ್? Okay, tell me what may be the journal entry for here? ಏನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಈ journal entry ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Cash paid to Ram means here Ram is a creditor. ರಾಮ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಅವನ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. Here Ram is a creditor because we are paying to a Ram. ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ. ರಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 20,000 ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. 3 ತಿಂಗಳ ಬದಲು ಅವ್ನು 15 ದಿವಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಹೋಗಿ 20,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಬರೀ 19,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇನ್ 1,000 ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ ಅವ್ನು ನನಗ? ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೀ?
Discount.
Discount. Yes, sir. So here discount received is my income or expenses?
Income.
Income.
Yes, sir. According to me, ನನ್ನ ಡೆಟಾರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ಕೊಡತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ನನಗ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ? ಇದಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಶಲ್ ಐ erase this one? Shall I erase this one? Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be the journal entry for that one? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ journal entry ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? What is the journal entry for that transaction? ಏನ್ journal entry ಅದರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? What may be the journal entry? Cash paid to Ram ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರತ್ತದ್ರಿ?
ಹೊರಗೊಂಟು.
ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಸೊ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ? ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದದ, ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬಂದದ. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬಂದ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 3 ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗ್ತದ. Listen carefully. In this transaction, all the 3 rules will be applicable. Okay. So I paid cash to Ram. So Ram is a receiver. Ram is a receiver. According to the personal account, a receiver. Ram is a receiver of the cash. Yes or no? Ram is so Ram is a receiver of that cash. So ಈಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ. Yes or no? So according to the rule of real account, credit what goes out. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟದ್ರಿ ನಂದು? Which is going out of my business?
Cash.
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 Cash is going out of the business. Yes or no? So to cash account. And I have received the
Discount account.
discount. Discount is my income or expenses? Discount received.
Income.
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 Personal account, discount received is
Income.
Income.
Credit.
discount received. Discount received account. Discount received account. Okay. So now total ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? How much we have paid? How much?
19,000.
19,000.
Actually, we paid him 20,000.
18,000.
We paid him 20,000. Okay. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ actually I have taken 20,000 from him. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ನಾನು 20,000 ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20,000 ಓಕೆ 19,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. He received 19,000. Okay, he received only 19,000 and he gave me 1,000 discount. Okay, total 19,000. I have taken 20,000 from him. Okay, but ಅವನು ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬರೀ 19,000 ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1,000 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. Is it clear? Clear ಆಯ್ತು? Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ram is a receiver of that cash. Cash is going out of my business, and for paying that cash, he gave me a discount. Yes, sir. So, na Ram hatra ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂದ ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಒಂದು 20,000 ಲೋನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ರಾಮಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಆದ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಾಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ. Is it clear? Clear ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the narration?
Being cash paid to Ram and discount received.
Being cash paid to Ram and received discount. Being cash paid to Ram and received discount. Okay, being cash paid to Ram and received discount. Okay, so what is the next transaction? Next another? What is the next transaction?
Sold the goods to Lakshman.
Sold goods to Lakshman. What may be the journal entry? What may be the journal entry?
Lakshman account to sales account.
Very good. Lakshman account to sales account. Why Lakshman account has been debited? Lakshman account doesn't debit ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Madam, according to personal debit receiver.
Very good. So here Lakshman is a receiver of that good. So Lakshman account has been debited. Why? Because he's a receiver to sales. Why we have credited the sales? Sales never credit ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Being goods sold to Lakshman. Why sales account has been credited? I didn't get the answer on this still.
Business in ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ.
Very good. Because the goods are going out of the business. What is the amount? Amount is
10,000.
is 10,000. Okay. Clear? Understand I think? Whether you people are getting or not? Okay. Shall I erase this one? Erase Mandra idana? Shall I erase this one? No. What is the last transaction? What is the last transaction? Another last transaction? Cash received from Lakshman. Yes, sir. Cash received from Lakshman. So if you are receiving a cash, what should be debited? ಏನು debit ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Cash received from Lakshman.
Cash account.
9,000 and discount allowed. Cash received. Yes, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್
ಬರಾಕತ್ತೈತಿ.
ಬರತ್ತದ.
Coming.
Cash is coming into the business. So cash account should be
Credit.
Debit.
Debit.
cash account should be debited. Yes, sir. So cash received from Lakshman. So cash is coming into the business, and Lakshman is a Lakshman.
Giver.
What Lakshman is? Cash received from Lakshman. So cash is coming into the business. So I have debited the cash account. Here Lakshman is a
Creditor.
credit ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? Why he has to be credited?
According to personal account, giver is a creditor.
Okay. According to personal account, Lakshman is a giver, so I have to credit it. Very good. So I will credit Lakshman account. Okay. To Lakshman account. And here discount allowed anta ada. Okay. So discount allowed anta ada. That should be ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Expenses, ma'am.
So I have to take on the how side ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ? Which side I should take? Debit or credit side? Debit side ತಗೋಬೇಕು?
Credit, ma'am.
Credit side ತಗೋಬೇಕು. I should take debit side or a credit side?
Credit side, ma'am.
Credit side, ma'am.
Debit.
Side. Because it is an expenses. I have received
Nominal account.
cash from a Lakshman. Lakshman ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ early payment ಆಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. I have received the cash from a Lakshman and I have 1,000 I have allowed him as a discount. So ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗತ್ತದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಬರಾತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್. Now I am giving to an Lakshman. Lakshmaniಗೆ ನಾನು ಕೊಡತ್ತೆ. So that is an expense to me. Yes sir. Discount allowed. Discount allowed account is debited. Okay. Cash account debit, discount allowed account debit to Lakshman account. Okay. So what cash ಏನೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? What are all the things I have to write? How much cash I have received from Lakshman? ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? How much amount I have received?
9,000.
9,000 I have received from Lakshman. 9,000 ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. 1,000 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್
10,000.
okay, 9,000 I have received from Lakshman. 1,000 I have allowed him as a discount. 10,000 is the total what I have received from Lakshman account. Being cash received from Lakshman and allowed him discount. Being cash received from Lakshman and allowed him discount. Is it clear? Everyone clear ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for everyone? Okay. So do one thing. Write this problem. Solve this problem two times. This will be the assignment for the people. Solve this same problem 2 times by understanding the concept. ಏನದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನನಗೆ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸಲ ಬರೆದು ಬೈ ಲೈಕ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್. Tomorrow before I start the class. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬೈ ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ I will ask how this transaction has been came. Okay, so be prepared with this one because today I didn't get a proper response from your side people. Okay, so ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ